restocked my mini fridge because it's completely empty. And this is going to be like an ASMR, so like you're going to enjoy it. Just enjoy it. And I'm also going to clean it because it needs cleaning. This is an extra one from like a couple days ago that I refilled my fridge with like last week, so this is just an extra. Also, I'm only putting 4 because I have to split these with my sister. For mini Sprites, I'm putting 5 because there's 10 in this one because they're mini Sprites. Root beer. And I get 6 root beer because there's 12 in here. Guys, my dad just told me there might be a tornado today, so I'm scared. Really scared. Also, I'm like absolutely like refilling it because I might have a sleepover tonight, so, and just for my own sake for this week. Anyways, let's get back to it. I get 6 Diet Cokes too because there's 12 in this pack. I took this out so I could explain to you guys. This is Welch's and it's sparkling water. So don't be thinking that's alcohol, just so you know. That's why I took it out before I restocked it, so I could explain to you guys. I'm gonna restock it with some food that goes in the fridge, and I might put some popsicles in my freezer, if you can see that. So yeah, in this freezer, so. Yeah, I forgot I could do that. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to go get that stuff and then refill it. So I actually found these Capri Suns in my kitchen, so we're going to see how much that fills up. And if it doesn't fill up the whole thing, I'll just get some snacks. Like yogurt and stuff, you know. And that's it. Bye, guys.